Check out this Jeep 2017 Wrangler Unlimited Sport. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, CD player, radio, 130, air conditioning, power steering, steering wheel mounted audio controls, normal duty suspension and traction control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.